Hi, I'm Molly Nation from the University of South Florida. I wrote this article for The Science Teacher with the help of my major professor, Dr. Alan Feldman, and another principal investigator on the project, geologist Ping Wang. The NSF-funded grant that we're working on is entitled Change, and it focuses on creating place-based approach for climate change curriculum in secondary science classrooms. The activity described in the article allows students to see thermal expansion in the classroom lab and further relate that experience to what's happening with sea level rise in our oceans due to global warming. Students are able to use mathematical equations and scientific modeling to determine the rate of thermal expansion. Now you're going to see day 2 of the laboratory setup. On day 1, students heated the water in the flask from the initial volume and marked the 10-degree increments on the side of the flask all the way to 90 degrees Celsius. On day 2, the water in the flask will then fall to the initial volume, and you'll need to take regular tap water to increase the volume to the highest point. You then can use a pipette to measure the amount of water increase from hash mark to hash mark. Students can then record that data into their laboratory journals and use that data to generate the rate of thermal expansion graph. The curriculum materials that were designed for this lab were created for a marine science classroom. However, all of our curriculum materials can be easily translated into biology, chemistry, or environmental science classrooms. A part of our project also incorporates the use of game-based education and a fictional novel that corresponds with the classroom activities that can be found online. All of our materials and links to the games and novels can be found on our website, which is bit.ly/CHANGE-USF. I hope that you find these materials useful in your own classroom, and thank you.